Hey guys, my name's Justin, and in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can make a lot of money in 2016, just like I have for a couple of years now. But I'm going to show you what works in 2016 pretty much. You don't need a job, thankfully. Like, I've never had one because thanks to the internets nowadays, job meaning just over broke. And yeah, I'll show you how you guys can actually start a business on the internet. I'm only 18 guys, so if I'm only 18, come on, think about it, you guys can do this too. And I'm just trying to spread awareness about this so a lot of people can get involved in this, because I've been doing this for so long that my family just wants to know how I do it. So here's another video for them too. I'll show you the proof as well for you guys to see how much money I've been making online. I've been using the website called ClickBank. That's where I get paid. Here it is. I'm about to log in real quick. Let me just type in my password. I just typed something wrong. And yeah, I've been using, where I learned all my knowledge from was a program called the ClickBank Passive Income 3.0 now they're at. Oh shit. And yeah, it shows you a lot of things that you can clone the whole system and make a lot of money for yourself as well. As you can see, I've been making a lot of money. This week I've hit almost $500 and the week hasn't ended yet. Today I made $70. Yesterday I made $103. 100, 160, you get it. But yeah, the money's on autopilot. I really don't even work for it. I just set up a couple of systems in a couple of hours, first time of getting the product. Not to brag or anything, but I'm just telling you the truth. And yeah, I started making a lot of money. Let me show you my paychecks as well, guys. My summary of 2015 paychecks was 20 grand, and this year I've made almost 7 grand. So the program that I'll show you, it will allow you to like literally clone the guy's entire business and he will work for you to make money online. Now that 3.0 I'm talking about, the version is released, they've added more training, software upgrade. They will introduce the opt-in hour detector and other secret stuff you should check out in the link in the description. But yeah, it works for me and everything. What you'll learn is you don't even need, let me just put this right here. You don't need to write any unique content. You don't need to create a product to sell. You don't need to write up a sales letter. You don't need to learn about internet marketing, to be honest. And that's because the guy automates the whole system and shows you these new techniques you can be using in 2016 to make a lot of money online. I just showed you how much money I've been making online, and I really don't even do anything. I just sit at home and try to enjoy my life and live to the fullest, thankfully, thanks to this. I'm being honest, I'm not, and I know I sound very biased right now, but this is honestly one of my favorite programs, and I recommend you guys should just check it out, jump in it, and learn a lot about affiliate marketing that you would never learn anywhere on YouTube. Even if you go back or cancel this video, you're not going to find this. You might find this information, but it's not going to be put into the best user interface for you to learn in like a couple of minutes. You can start implementing this. I've seen newbies on a couple of websites use this same system, the ClickBank Passive Income 3.0 nowadays, and they use the system, and in that same day they make their first sale. I'm not lying to you guys. You can add my Skype, I'll have it in the description. We can talk if you really want to make money online, because I'm just here to help you guys, man. I don't want to see people, you know what, I'm not going to show my empathy and sympathy and all that shit. But yeah, add my Skype if you guys want to talk to me one-on-one, and I can show you what's in this system if you really want to. But if you guys want to check it out for yourself, go ahead and click the link in the description, and you'll learn a lot about this ClickBank money making stuff and how you can make money on autopilot in 2016 doing absolutely nothing. Well, a little bit of work, just a little bit of knowledge, but yeah, it seems like nothing when at the end of the day, because it's just a program, a software that actually automates this stuff for you. So check it out, guys. I really do hope you like this video. If you don't like this video, if you don't learn anything from the program, like this video if you actually learn something, okay? So comment as well and subscribe. I'll come up to you with new videos about this soon.